Hey guys, how are you today? My name is Olympio Tuns, and today we'll talk about gold, US oil, silver, euro, Japanese yen, because maybe I want to go short on that market, but first of all I need confirmation. We'll talk about Forex pairs, commodities, US equities, cryptocurrencies. But first of all, as always, don't forget to read our disclaimer. And if you have questions, guys, about subscription, about services, you can email support. And don't forget, guys, to follow us on Instagram. Okay. And you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's very important. And of course, if you are not a free member, sorry, guys. If you are not a VIP member, you can access the link posted right below this video to join us. So first of all, let's take a look here on gold. Strong rally, a new bullish momentum here in gold. And please take a look here on our real account. Orlando's trade, very important. I don't know, maybe more than 1050 pips or something in profit right now in gold. And you can see here that maybe more than 2% growth right now in our real account, which is great. If you remember, guys, personally I've made around Sparky, hi, how are you? And personally I've made around 1.4% growth with my trade on Australian dollar, Japanese yen. And around 1.5% growth with my euro versus the US dollar trade. So please, guys, if you have also questions, if you want me, I don't know, to take a look on a specific market, please, I'm waiting for questions, for messages into the YouTube chat. So gold, Orlando will come back with his trade management, don't worry. But right now, his long position in gold is in profit, deep profit, more than 1000 pips. So here technically in the short term, if you remember, I've said about this breakout here, upside continuation, also about the potential breakout here above this resistance zone. Right now the resistance zone turned it into a support area here. So R1 test retest here, only false breakdown with great separation below 1965.57, and also Sparky, Australian dollar, Japanese yen, I am in buy. Okay, I don't know, I will take a look on that market as well. But if you remember earlier today, my short position in Australian dollar, Japanese yen closed at take profit, 104 pips in profit. So so something like this, guys, here in gold. And false breakdown of great separation, as I've said, signaling strong buyers, signaling that maybe the retreat ended. And right now breakout, new higher high, temporary retreat. The bias is bullish, guys, in gold. So maybe we'll try to identify new long opportunities, because we'll try to add something to Orlando's long, maybe, when we'll have a new high probability trade, a great setup in gold. Okay, so 15 minutes. Idris, I'm also in buy. Okay, great. So something like this. Personally, I'm looking for we'll take a look on the Japanese yen basket as well, on the Japanese yen pairs. So right now, I don't know, maybe I'm still waiting for something really good in gold, because we're already long, so we don't have to rush to catch something. So silver, let's take a look, and then I will take a look. So silver, yeah, maybe I've missed an opportunity here. As I've said earlier today in the early morning, in that silver breakdown, that short video, that maybe yeah, I'm looking for new buying opportunities. Yeah, here in silver, and aggressive breakout. It has found resistance here at the weekly R1 at 26.267. Retreat, and right now a strong rally. Maybe I'll wait for the price yeah, to consolidate here above the R1 before jumping higher, before resuming its growth. Okay, because as I've said earlier today, and you can watch that video into the YouTube channel. I've said that something like this value breakout could signal potential growth, and something like a retreat here, rally, and here maybe only a false breakdown with great separation below 25.835, signaling that the buyers are strong. Australian dollar, US dollar sell. I don't know. I will take a look on that market as well. Thank you for your messages, guys. I will try to answer to your messages and to your questions. And yeah, I believe Rahman, I believe that Australian dollar, US dollar, I believe it's too late maybe to go short on that market. Maybe there was an opportunity yesterday, yeah, when I've opened it also that short on Australian dollar, Japanese yen, okay? But right now I believe that it's too late. So I'll wait here in silver to see if the price will really stabilize above the R1 before maybe taking action here. So let's take a look. Australian dollar, US dollar. Yeah. So something like this yesterday. Let's take a look on 1 hour, because yeah, I don't know. Right now maybe, yeah, it's too late or something. Maybe we had something here yesterday. I don't know. Maybe after dropping below 0.7399 or something, after dropping below this this line, dynamic resistance, yeah, maybe on lower time frames we had something on Australian dollar, US dollar, because right now, yeah, the bias is still bearish. Let's take a look if we'll use something like this, like a downtrend line. Yeah, maybe we can catch something like this, yeah. So in my opinion, as long as it stays below the immediate downtrend line, the bias is bearish, right? And one moment, so something like this, false breakout. 0.7267 stands as important support here, and in my opinion a new false breakout, test retest followed by new lower low could signal a deeper drop, and maybe yeah, maybe this scenario could bring us a new short opportunity, right? But yeah, only, yeah, and maybe we'll have something like this, like a down channel, okay? But in the short term, sorry, in the short term, something like this, okay? So in the short term, something like a potential falling wedge pattern, reversal pattern, but only a valid breakout, a new higher high could signal reversal, upside movement, yeah? Because staying below the downtrend line and the test retest, a new lower low could signal potential downside movement. So yeah, I will keep an eye on this market as well. Sparky. So Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Sorry. Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Buy. So for me, it's not a buy. Yeah. Despite this rebound, let's take a look on 1 hour. So yeah, this it was my setup. Perfect trade for the VIP members, only for the VIP members, because as you already know, I'm sharing my trade management with the VIP members. So a perfect trade. So 1, 2, and 3, a descending pitchfork, and as you already know from my previous sessions, when I have something like this, yeah, 1, 2, and 3. And when the price retests the upper medium line and registers maybe only false breakouts with great separations, maybe I will have a great short opportunity, selling opportunity. Mr. Money Jr., are you going to post any new VIP trade in the VIP group? Yeah, I will soon, maybe, or maybe during this this session. I will take a look on euro versus the Japanese yen, because I believe that I have something there, and if I will yeah, identify something, I will place the trade right now here during this live webinar. And yeah, don't worry, we'll share our trades when we have something really good, a high probability trade. So here, something like this. Test retest of the upper medium line, false breakouts with great separation, and here a new lower low. I've expected something like this, so let's go back, reply. So something like this here, right? So this it was my setup before, when the price moved sideways here, after retesting the channel's upside line here. And my thought process was something like this. If the price drops and makes a new lower low, drops and closes below 85.0303, then it could move down to the downside towards the medium line, at least towards the medium line, towards the uptrend line, towards the uptrend line. Okay, so something like this. Yeah, strong sell-off. Personally, I've closed Alex. Anyway, I can pay monthly subscription with Bitcoin. I don't know, Alex. Please, please email support. Yeah, I don't know exactly. I'm not here to talk about services subscriptions or, but please email support. They will sort you out. They will come back to you, because I don't know exactly. Yeah, Alex, thank you. And yeah, learn to trade Forex signals if you want to become a VIP member. So something like this. Yeah, I've decided to manage my position here after reaching the medium line, the uptrend line, because yeah, we had something like a confluence area. The price dropped deeper, but it has found support here on the uptrend line. But yeah, my stop loss was already at the break even, so the trade was safe, even if the price turned against me. Rahman, US dollar Japanese yen looks like a sell to me, double top. Yeah, I will take a look on that market as well. Personally, I've sent a video analysis earlier. Euro GBP, yeah, I will take a look on that market as well. Sparky, are you a VIP member? So yeah, and temporary rebound, sell off. You can see that the price reached my take profits. Please take a look here. Yeah, it has reached my take profit. Actually, it has dropped it right below my take profit, and then it has rebounded. Yeah, because personally, I've decided here to place my my take profit around this former high, right below it, and above maybe these former highs here, because yeah, we have something like a support zone, support area here in Australian dollar, Japanese yen. So yeah, only false breakdown with great separation below 83.98. But right now it has retested the uptrend line. Okay, personally, I will delete this setup from here. I will delete this one from here, and yeah, I will keep only the up channel. So breakdown from this channel. Yeah, very important, retest, and but only a new lower low if the price will drop close and stabilize below 83.90. It will open the door for a larger downside movement. Okay, oil is going to roof. How will this affect the FX world? Australian dollar is sensitive to oil now. Yeah, I will take a look on US oil as well. Thank you. So something like this in Australian dollar, Japanese yen, and I hope that I will open a new trade in euro versus the Japanese yen here right now live. Okay, so yeah, it has failed to stay below the 38.2. It has rebounded, but in my opinion, only maybe staying. So this is a support zone. Yeah, staying above it, above the weekly pivot point, above 84.08, 1.808, moving sideways here and failing to make a new lower low, moving sideways, followed by a value breakout here could signal that Australian dollar Japanese yen could turn to the upside. But right now, in my opinion, the bias is still bearish. Okay, so yeah, something like this. The price is also located right below this immediate downtrend line. So personally, I'm not a buyer here. I'm not a bull, and I'll wait for something else, for a deeper drop, new lower low, value breakdown below the immediate support levels, and then downside continuation, and only moving sideways here, value breakout could bring me something like a new long opportunity or something. So yeah, this is my my analysis. This is not a trading recommendation. I'm not a financial advisor, so yeah, this is only my my opinion here on Australian dollar Japanese yen. USD Japanese yen. So yeah, something like this. I've talked about this market earlier, and I've said that after something like this, after this strong rally, we cannot exclude a temporary drop, minor retreat. Yeah. But only after also because the price reached the downtrend line, the triangle's resistance, 115.76, 150% Fibonacci line, so resistance area, resistance zone. So yeah, right now the price could retreat, could drop a little, so which is natural after something like this. But as I've said earlier today in that video, personally I will not sell it unless I have something like a strong bearish pattern. I want to see something like a false breakout with great separation, major bearish engulfing, test retests, false breakouts here, because okay, it has reached resistance, right? But personally I'm not selling a resistance only because the price reached a resistance area, okay? It's because the price could take it out and it could resume its growth, okay? So that's why I need confirmation here. It could retreat a little, maybe to retest the daily R1 here in the short term. So US dollar Japanese yen 115.55, and as long as it stays above the uptrend line, in my opinion, the bias is still bullish despite temporary drops. Okay, so I'll wait for confirmation, and only maybe here test retest, false breakouts, valid breakdown here could bring me a great selling opportunity. So yeah, right now I will not sell US dollar Japanese yen. Okay, hey guys, sorry about that. Something like a power outage stopped my my webinar. Please confirm me to the chat that you can hear me and that everything is okay, because I want to continue this webinar. Okay, yeah, it seems that Ali, hello, I'm a subscriber of VIP Telegram. Yeah, hi, how are you, Ali Hassan? I hope that you are here again. Real Euro USD. Yeah, so we talked about US dollar, Japanese yen, and I talked about yeah, about a bullish bias as long as it stays above the R1, above the weekly R1, above the uptrend line. So right now, yeah, after this amazing rally, a temporary retreat, which maybe it could be natural, as I've said, after reaching these upside obstacles. Okay, dollar index, and I will try to answer to your questions as well. So something like this right now on the dollar index on 1 hour, temporary retreat. Maybe that's why the US dollar retreats. Yeah, one moment. One moment, because I want to invite more members, because my live sorry about that. Euro, Japanese yen, and then I will come back. Yeah, okay, so DXY, Euro, Japanese yen. Okay, so okay, sorry about that. So something like this on the dollar index right now. Yeah, it has failed here to stay above this the channel's upside line here. Temporary retreat. And let's take a look. Yen basket. Yen basket. Yeah, it has tried to rebound. Unfortunately, guys, the yen basket failed here after testing retesting the broken down trend line. It has failed to make a new higher high to resume its growth. Yeah, please take a look here. That's why the current sell-off, the current drop here, the last drop forced the Japanese yen to depreciate. So yeah, right now it tries to rebound. So let's go back, US dollar, Japanese yen, and then we'll continue. I will try to answer to your questions. Yeah, it remains the same. Personal weight here on the US dollar versus the Japanese yen, because as I've said, staying near these resistance levels above the uptrend line could also signal an imminent breakout, and yeah, I will look for something like this here. So so Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. I will answer to your questions, and then I will take a look on the euro versus the Japanese yen, because as I've said, maybe I want to open a trade here right now live. So yen, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. Personally, I don't have something really good here right now. Strong sell-off. Yeah. Maybe here around these former highs, we could have something like a support zone, so 1.0650. Yeah, let's wait. Or actually, no, personally, I'm sorry about that. Personally, I'm not trading this market, but I'll wait here. I'll take a look. I'll keep an eye on this market here around 1.0650. Yeah. These former highs as support, because right now the bias is bearish and I don't have something really good, because only something like this false break down with great separation, test retest, major bullish engulfing, or any other upside reversal pattern could signal that the downside movement ended and that the price could develop a new leg higher or something. So right now I don't have something on Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar here on 4 hour. So real CG, euro, US dollar. So I will try to answer to your questions, and yeah, so Australian dollar, sorry, euro versus the US dollar, temporary rebound here, minor bounce back, only because The dollar index retreated a little or something like this, something like a sideways movement, but the bias remains bearish here on euro versus the US dollar. Personally, I want to see something like a temporary rebound or a sideways movement before dropping deeper or something, because yeah, right now I don't have an opportunity, so that's why I have to wait for a fresh opportunity. Let's try here to draw 1, 2, and 3. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe I will use this this pitchfork. So 1, 2, and 3. I will delete these from here because, guys, maybe we can catch also something like an upside movement if the rate continues to move sideways or something in the short term. If it will maybe come back down to retest the lower medium line or something, or but right now the immediate resistance 1.090931, the immediate high stands as an upside obstacle. So right now I don't have something really good in euro versus the US dollar. Yeah, the pressure is still high, and yeah, after something like this, after its massive drop, we cannot exclude a temporary rebound, swing higher, but right now I don't have confirmation. I'll wait for confirmation. I don't want to go long here right above the former high or something, because I want to see a temporary retreat, retest maybe before jumping higher, or sideways movement before dropping deeper. So yeah. Yeah, something like this. Euro, British pound for Sparky, and then I will take a look on euro versus the Japanese yen, as I've said, because we had something there like a temporary rebound. So Sparky, if you are still here, I don't know. Personally, I'm not trading this market, and I don't have. One moment, because I will try to build something here. So 0.8275. Yeah. Let's take a look also on daily. Yeah. Only false breakdown here, maybe on daily. Padma Kumar, if you are still here, hi, how are you? Something like this. No. So no, right now I don't have something really good here. A rebound, but the bias remains bearish. The pressure, can you watch Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, and New Zealand dollar, US dollar, the giants? Yeah, I will take a look. So right now, as long as it stays right below this immediate downtrend line, the bias is bearish, the pressure is still high. This could be only a temporary rebound. So no. So when I don't have something like a high probability trade and something like a really good setup, no, I will not talk about that market, or maybe I will not yeah, try to force a setup, or yeah, something like this. So no, I don't have something sparky on euro versus the British pound. So because right now, no, I don't want to be a buyer here. Yeah, right below the immediate resistance. I don't want to be a seller right now. As long as I don't have confirmation, I want maybe something like this, test retest before dropping again or something, right? And I don't know, before buying, I want to see something like a strong sideways movement, value breakout. Yeah, so no, I don't have something. Yeah, okay. One moment, because I want to take a look. So yeah, okay. New Zealand dollar, US dollar. So strong sell-off, but yeah, it has found support. As you can see, it has found support here on the 0.680909 former high. Maybe we had something here in the short term yesterday, yeah, after rebound, and here valid breakdown below the immediate uptrend line, yeah. So right now I have 0.6850 as resistance. But yeah, maybe I will delete this one from here. So in my opinion, as long as it stays below the immediate downtrend line, the pressure is still high. So resistance here at the downtrend line, and the support here around the 0.6809. And in my opinion, right now, I don't know, test retest here could bring us a new sell-off here in the short term. I don't know if the price will be strong enough to be able to take out the resistance levels, because only maybe something like this could signal potential upwards movement in the short term. So no, I don't have something right now here. I will take a look on euro versus the Japanese yen, because I've said that maybe I will have something like a short opportunity selling setup, something like a channel. And please guys, on the 15 minutes, and this channel, this pattern could represent a bullish pattern, an upside continuation pattern, but we still need confirmation. Let's take a look here. If I will draw 1, 2, and 3 here, so please take a look here. 1, 2, and 3. Test, retest, false breakouts above the medium line of the ascending pitchfork. The medium line stands as dynamic resistance. Also the downtrend line as dynamic resistance. Static resistance here at 0.6850. So yeah, here above these levels, only if it registers only false breakouts. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, only false breakouts could bring us new downside movement or something, but we need confirmation. So I don't have a setup right now on this market. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. I don't know why you want, and please guys, from now on, please, when you want me to take a look on a specific market, please tell me what you are looking at, because I don't know, personally I'm not looking on these markets, and I don't know what you want. I don't know your time frame that you are looking at or something. So personally I'm making my own analysis here, and I don't know, maybe you will not understand anything from my analysis, or I don't know, my thought process, or I don't know. So that's why please tell me what you are looking at. So 0.9303 as support, the weekly pivot point. This could be only a temporary retreat, and maybe here around this level, I don't know, you can look for new buying opportunities or something. But yeah, because you can see that it was into a downtrend, and right now a new higher high, temporary retreat, temporary drop. Yeah, maybe it could bring us something. Also something like this here. Let's take a look on 15 minutes, because this could be a bullish pattern, a bullish setup. So something like this, and an upside breakout. So escaping from this pattern could maybe bring a new long opportunities or something, but right now it's premature as long as it stays right below the downtrend line. But I don't know, test retest could signal a potential deeper drop towards this support zone, demand area, and I don't know, moving sideways here, staying above 0.9329, and making a valid breakout here could bring us something, could signal that the retreat ended, and that the buyers could take the lead and could push the price higher. Okay, so I've yeah, answered to your questions. Euro, Japanese yen, right? So Yeah, personally, I was looking at something like this today here in Euro Japanese yen, guys, right? So strong downside movement, okay, strong sell-off here, and here temporary rebound. So I was looking at something like this, temporary rebound. Maybe personally I would have liked the price to come back higher to retest the former lows, but right now let's also use something like this, like a downtrend line. Yeah, something like this. Okay, and personally I have something like this here, like an up channel, and this up channel, this flag could represent a bearish pattern, and you can see that I have something like a setup here, but maybe right now I'll wait. So yeah, it has found temporary resistance, but yeah, earlier today maybe I wanted to share my trade like this, so you don't have my levels here. If you are a VIP member, you will get my my exact levels, my setup, because maybe I will change my setup, because guys, so what I want here is something like this, for the price to come back down below the daily R1 125.92, and to make a valid breakdown here below the uptrend line, below the channel's downside line support, and maybe something like this could bring us new short opportunities. That's why I was looking today at something like this, like a new short opportunity, new selling setup here. Maybe 1.5, but maybe I will I don't know, maybe I will change the setup. Maybe I will look for a higher entry, yeah, because as long as it stays below the downtrend line, yeah, the bias is bearish, and this could still be only a temporary growth, temporary rebound before dropping deeper. So I want to catch a new downside movement if the price fails to resume its growth, if it makes a valid breakdown below the uptrend line. So this could be my setup, but yeah, if you are a VIP member, you will get my my setup, my trade, yeah, when I'll open my trade for myself as well. So don't worry, because you will have my trade. But yeah, this could be my next trade here on euro versus the Japanese yen. Yeah, maybe I will use also descending pitchfork here. Right now, sell off here on 15 minutes, and as I've said, guys, personally, I started maybe to look for intraday trades as well, because yeah, I know that you want to get more trades. If you're a VIP member, you want to get more trades, intraday trades as well. And yeah, I'm looking at something like this, maybe 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour to catch intraday trades using Anir. Hi, how are you? Using my my strategy, pitchfork strategy, guys. Okay, so something like this, 1, 2, and 3 right now. Personally, I want to see something like this here, sideways movement, maybe test retests before going down. Okay, I want to see something like this here on euro Japanese yen. Let's take a look. Yen basket. Yeah, right now euro versus the Japanese yen drops only because the Japanese yen basket rallies. But yeah, I'm still waiting also for confirmation here. Yeah, let's take a look here. 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, it's failure to stay below the medium line. 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, it has reached the medium line, but right now it's premature. I'll wait. Yeah, please post the VIP Telegram group. What? Please post on VIP Telegram group as well. Yeah, I will post it when I will open the trade. Okay, and I will share my trades with the VIP members. Yeah, so don't worry, Anir. You will have the trade, of course, if you want to follow it. Yeah, let's go back. Let's take a look again on gold. So yeah, Whoa, amazing rally here in gold. Orlando's trade in gold is silver. Yeah, unfortunately I've missed an opportunity. Maybe as I've said at the beginning of the webinar, I want here something, and unfortunately we missed this rally only because I had that power outrage. But don't worry, we'll catch something else. If you are a VIP member, I believe that you are already long in gold. Orlando's trade in gold runs in profit. Yeah, more than 1,000 pips. Yeah, a really good trade by Orlando. Maybe right now around 2.5. Like a bounce of support. BTGUSD. Yeah, I will take a look. I think gold will reach 2040. Actually it has jumped above that level near, and I believe that's I don't know, 2.5 maybe right now. Growth in our real account with Orlando's trade in gold. But unfortunately I've missed an opportunity here on silver, because yesterday I've talked with Orlando and I've said that I want, maybe the price was here, and I said that I want something like this for the price of silver to retest 25.389, the downtrend line here before jumping higher. And maybe after all we had an opportunity maybe here, but personally I didn't want to go long here right below the downtrend line. And here, after something like this, false breakdown with great separation, here we had something, okay, in silver, but right now it's too late. I've talked about this scenario earlier today. Bitcoin, let's take a look on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, something like this. It has reached the lower medium line of the ascending pitchfork. So dynamic support, it has jumped above the downtrend line. So I don't know right now. So if you are also into our if you are a crypto member, VIP member, or free member, today you received a video. GBPUSD, Alex, I will take a look. So 39,557.26, but Alex, flag on what time frame? Because as I've said, I don't know what you are looking at, what time frame. And please guys, don't forget to like this video here right now live. It will help me to the YouTube algorithm, and also thanks for that. So in my opinion, and also maybe I want something like this for the price of Bitcoin, maybe to come back down to retest the lower medium line here, maybe to accumulate, to consolidate before jumping higher. Okay, so I need something like this, or I want a new higher high here, maybe in the short term. Okay, some sideways movement, a new higher high. So as long as it stays above the lower medium line, and after this very breakout above the downtrend line, it could still develop a new leg higher. But something like this, don't forget that a very breakdown could open the door for a deeper drop in Bitcoin. Okay. So flag. I believe, Alex, that you are looking at this flag maybe on 1 hour or something, maybe potential flag, because right now sorry. So British pound versus the Canadian dollar, maybe something like this, I believe. Maybe you are looking at this flag, Alex, please confirm. 1 hour. And after this amazing sell-off, temporary and expected 1 hour. Okay, I 100% sure that you're looking at something like this. So after this amazing sell-off, yeah, a rebound is natural, and we could have only a temporary rebound here on the British pound versus the Canadian dollar, and Alex is looking at something like this here. Okay, so that's why I like I really want to know what you're looking at, because I want to talk about it. Okay, so yeah, Alex is looking at something like this here. Okay, so rebound and something like a potential flag, but right now this flag is I have what would be the preferred lot size for gold? I don't know, man. An year. So something like this, it's up to you. Yeah. So and as you already know, personally, and here at Learn to Trade, I'm opening trades only using 1% risk, and I'm using that lot size calculator. So I don't know, it's up to you what lot size you want to use, what how much you want to risk. Yeah. Yeah, okay, Alex. So Alex is looking at something like this, like an up channel, okay? And technically this up channel, after that strong downside movement, something like this, like an up channel, could represent a bearish pattern. But right now, Alex, in my opinion, this one is far from being confirmed, okay? And I don't know, maybe you'll have to wait to see how it will react, maybe around the channel's upside line, yeah? Because maybe you can catch something maybe from here, I don't know, maybe from around this resistance level, because yeah, something like this, and follow it by a valid breakdown below the uptrend line could confirm, could activate this this pattern, okay, the bearish pattern, the up channel, okay? But maybe test retest, I don't know, here of the upside line, weekly pivot point could bring maybe short opportunities from here, and not after the price will make a valid breakdown below this one. But right now, personally, I don't have something. Right now, the market is strongly bullish. The British pound versus the Canadian dollar is strongly bullish, and yeah, this pattern, this potential flag is far from being confirmed, okay? So that's why I don't have something really good right now. Yeah. Okay, sorry about that. Okay. Yeah. Euro, Japanese yen sell off. Let's take a look on other markets in the short term. So British pound, the Japanese yen, maybe we'll catch something, and maybe I will be able to open a new trade in Japanese yen. Please take a look here as well. 1, 2, and 3. Retest, test, retest, sell off, right? And right now it has registered the value breakdown below the medium line of the descending pitchfork, signaling that it could resume its downside movement. But I don't have a setup here right now. On the British pound versus the Japanese yen. $151.46 as support right now, and maybe dropping below it could open the door for a potential drop here. I don't know, but right now I don't have a great setup. Yeah, 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, maybe I want something like this: sideways movement, test, retest, and then value breakdown also below the lower medium line, and then sell off. Okay, I'm looking for something like this in the British pound versus the Japanese yen. Alex, yeah, thank you, Alex. Okay, Australian dollar, Japanese yen. I will, yeah. So I've talked about this market, Australian dollar, Japanese yen. If you remember, guys, yeah, because there were a few questions at the beginning of this webinar for longs or something, Australian dollar, Japanese yen longs, but I said as long as it stays below the downtrend line, the bias is bearish, and this market, the currency pair could come back down, could extend its sell-off. New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen sell-off. Sorry guys. No, I don't have something here. 15 minutes. Yeah, something like this, but right now maybe something like this here on 1 hour. New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. Like an up channel here, okay, but in my opinion here only a new lower low, maybe. Yeah, dropping closing and stabilizing below 78.53 could open the door for a larger downside movement, and as long as it stays above the uptrend line, it could jump higher, but I don't have something right now here. One, two, three. No. Please take a look here, right? Resistance in this support zone. Resistance test, retest, sell off. Okay. No, I don't have something. Okay, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Whoa, strong sell-off. Strong sell-off here. Let's take a look on 15 minutes. Temporary rebound. But I don't like the price action, so I will not go long, short right now. Even if the bias is bearish, the pressure is high. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen could resume its and extend its sell-off. But yeah, right now it challenges this static support, 89.80. No, I don't have something. I will come back maybe later. Maybe I will have that trade in euro versus the Japanese yen. So yen basket again. Yeah, strong rally here. That's why the Japanese yen appreciated versus its rivals. Let's take a look on more yeah, dollar index rally right now. So let's take a look. Euro USD, as I've said, the pressure remains high. It challenges the downtrend line. Let's see, because staying below it, it could come back down. British pound versus the US dollar. Strong sell-off. So personally I have something like this here, like descending pitchfork, test retests, sideways movement, a distribution, very breakdown, lower low, sell-off. So I don't know here. Gold reach, yeah, Muhammad Ali, yeah, Orlando will come back with his trade management, but yeah, he's keeping his trade, which is in deep profit. Let's take a look on the real account. Yeah, here on 8 cap. One moment. So about the British pound versus the US dollar, I want to see something like a rebound or a sideways movement before maybe I will go short again, right? So yeah, whoa, something like this. Yeah, nice profit here in gold. Yeah, it has retreated after reaching yeah, 2063.43. yeah, amazing trade here, but maybe the next upside target will be here, 2075.15. okay, Samuel, hi, I don't understand English. Is this a problem to use your signals? I believe. So we are not sending signals, we are sharing our trades. Okay, so we are sharing our trades, yeah, in the VIP group. Also, maybe we are sharing, I don't know, 10-20% of our trades into the free group as well, with the entry, stop loss, yeah, stop loss, take profit or something. So yeah, I don't think it will be a problem to follow our trades, because yeah, we are sending our levels into the VIP group. Entry level, it's really simple, Samuel. Entry level, you can use, I don't know, maybe Google Translate or something. So entry level, yeah, stop loss, take profit or something, if you want, of course, to follow our trades. And yeah, we'll also share our trade management, and maybe you can translate it or something. So yeah, I don't think it will be a problem or something. So British pound, US dollar, I'm waiting for something here because the bias is still bearish, but we could have something like a temporary rebound. I've talked about US dollar, Japanese yen. Yeah, sell off, strong sell off after reaching this resistance area, resistance levels. But yeah, as I said, I want to see how the price will react here around the uptrend line. Yeah, US dollar, Canadian dollar. Yeah, Orlando had a great trade here on this market from here to here, I believe. Yeah, the price continued to grow. Personally, I don't have something really good right now, because the price is almost to hit this former high on the US dollar, Canadian dollar. Yeah, I don't have something. Let's take a look. 15 minutes. Yeah, no. US dollar, Swiss franc. Yeah, here I've missed an opportunity here after this breakout. Boom. Okay, but don't worry. Personally, I will look for fresh, high probability trades, great trades. So yeah, don't worry. If you're a VIP member, you will get more trades. If you're not a VIP member, you can access the link posted right below this video to become one. Okay, US dollar, Swiss franc. Right now, I don't want to buy it here, right below the warning line, below the former high. I want a sideways movement maybe before it resumes its growth, because if the dollar index drops, maybe this pair could slip lower or something. Yeah, I've talked about New Zealand dollar, US dollar, Australian dollar, US dollar. Yeah, something like this here. I've talked about this market, as I believe, as well. So US equities, US 100. Let's talk about the Nasdaq, because I was live here for I don't know, more than 1 hour. Yeah, Nasdaq. The pressure is still high, guys. Okay, and in my opinion, failing to hit the former lows here, the 13,028.9, and right now we have something like a rebound, could signal a new downside movement, sell-off, bearish momentum in the short term. So on the US equities, or actually on the US 100, I don't know, my bias is still bearish or something. Yeah, sell-off, test, retests, its failure to stay to stabilize above the lower medium line, above the S1 S2, sorry. But I don't have a great setup, unfortunately, right now here in the short term. Something like a channel here. Okay, something like a channel, and temporary rebounds could bring new short opportunities. Samuel, I've talked to Samuel. I said it's up to you. I don't know your English level. If you don't understand English at all, I don't know. It's up to you, Samuel. But as I've said, we are sharing our trades, very simple with entry, okay? Stop loss, take profit or something if you want to use our levels, our trade management. US 30, same here, rebound. Also its failure to approach to reach the former low, so after something like this we cannot exclude a potential new sell-off towards that level or something. Yeah, so as I've said, I'm still maybe bearish on the US equities. Yeah, something like this, maybe only, I don't know, test, retest, sideways movement could bring us something, but I don't have something really good right now. US 500, the S&P. No, I don't have something. That's why yeah, here it seems that maybe the downside movement is over if the price stays above the weekly S2. Sideways movement, test retest, I don't know, could signal an upside breakout, and this down channel could represent a bullish pattern or bullish reversal pattern or something. Okay, but I will keep an eye on all markets, don't worry. And if you are a VIP member, you will get my trades, don't worry. Okay, yeah, unfortunately I wasn't able to open a trade here during this live session, but yeah, don't forget to like this video, this session. So Ethereum in the short term, Ethereum, the bias is still bearish in my opinion, because Bitcoin is still under pressure as well. Up channel, here the downtrend line. Yeah, no, I don't have something really good on Ethereum here. DAX 30, DAX 30, let's take a look. Potential double bottom, yeah, here, but only if the price will make a new higher high. Okay, because right now the bias is bearish, strong downside movement, and here on the German stock index, and moving sideways, guys, here between yeah, the weekly S2, or let's use this level. So we have something like this, like a range pattern here on DAX. DAX 30. So 12,382 as support, 13,128.50 as resistance. And in my opinion, when it will maybe escape from this pattern, from this range, even if the price will come back down, test, retest, false breakdowns could signal potential growth rally and upside breakout. Okay, technically, yeah. I'm showing you maybe how to trade a range pattern, or failing to approach to retest, to retest the support levels, value breakouts, it could resume its growth or something like this. Yeah, test, retest, the false breakouts could signal drop and something like this. Okay, in DAX, but right now in the short term it could extend its sideways movement. So personally I will keep an eye on this market. Maybe also something like a triangle here inside of this range. So please, you have to be careful, because also a very breakout from this triangle, yeah, could signal, could bring maybe great opportunities or something, right? Okay, silver again, yeah. Also, it's important, guys. So earlier today when I started my day, my session, the price was here right below the downtrend line, and I've recorded a short video analyzes a silver breakdown, a market breakdown for the VIP members, talking about this scenario upside movement. So it's really important, even if maybe I'm not opening, even if I don't have maybe a good setup for myself. It's also important for you to watch all my videos, because maybe you can identify great opportunities for you. Okay, maybe also using your analysis, your strategy or something, maybe you will discover something really good. Yeah, maybe will confirm, maybe my videos will confirm your setups, your analysis, your thought process, your rationale. Okay, so it's really important to take a look on my videos, market breakdowns for the VIP members only. Okay, so if you're not a VIP member, you can please guys, if you have maybe more questions. Gold again, let's take a look. Gold, yeah, strong rally. It's strongly bullish, and as I've said, around or maybe more than 2.5% growth in our real account with Orlando's trade in gold. So yeah, if you're not a VIP member, you are missing out a lot of great stuff, trades, trade management, videos, news, data, analysis, videos, yeah, webinars, a lot of great stuff. So yeah, it seems that you don't have more questions. Thank you guys. I will come back maybe later with more trades for the VIP members. Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.